Students, today we're going to pack our kits to take home. These are watercolor colored pencils. Then we have one Crayola black, the large one. We have one fine Sharpie, and we have one color each, 12 in total water-soluble sticks of marker. So the other thing you want to make is your folder, and this is 28 inches wide. Can't really show you that. 28 inches wide by 24. So I have this black piece of paper to kind of give me a guide of where I want to fold it up. I want to fold it up. So I'm going to do that. Let's see if I can set this up so that you can watch. All right. Quickly. There we go. So here we go. Fold it up. Fold it up, but I want it to be able to hold at least 12 by 18, so that should do it. The other thing that's really handy to do, I'm going to use the Sharpie to show you this, to make my crease nice and fell on the floor. I use the side. I don't like to use my finger, it hurts, you know. So that's that, and then I'm going to fold it over this way. So these are wider than you're used to, because I want it to be able to hold, you know, a supply of paper. So I want to have enough allowance in the little folder that we're making to accommodate or to allow for that. So here we go. We've got our folder. We're going to need to tape up this side, tape up that side with some what we used to call Scotch tape, clear tape. So we can take a supply of that and just do likewise. Boom. You get kind of good at measuring with your eyes the more you do it. It doesn't have to be, but I would really get that reinforced on there, and that's it. So we're gonna work on the outside of these with putting our name on them, and I haven't decided yet how to do that, but I have some ideas, and I will pause with that. So you'll have this, you'll have your supply of all that media that we have on hand. I'll also be giving you a brush, just remember that, and you can take that in your large bag. And the large bag will be your transport bag. I'll want to have this come back to school with the folder, but this all will stay home with you. Okay, that's it for now.